Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Afif, my Wan Azir. My number metric is B0918104444. The topic that we choose are the hybrid motor. So, the introduction of it is a hybrid automobile moved by combining at least one electric motor with a gasoline engine. The system recovers energy through regenerative braking. So, it does all of the work occasionally, the gas engine in other times, and the both work together at the other times. It uses a high voltage battery pack that is recharged by absorbing energy from deceleration. The gas engine is also used to charge and maintain the battery in hybrids. So that's the introduction of the hybrids. So the next one is the history of the hybrid. Okay. A German engineer, Ferdinand Porsche, created the first hybrid automobile in 1899. In 1904, Henry Ford built the first automotive production line, so demand for hybrids began to dwindle. As for April 2020, over 70 million hybrid electric vehicles has been sold globally. And lastly, in March 2018, Japan had the world's biggest hybrid electric car fleet with 7.5 million hybrids registered.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fido bin Hashim. I will explain about the theory of operation on how hybrid motor can improve engine operation. Firstly, a hybrid refers to the mixture of any two parts. Every automobile relies heavily on its engine because the engine transfers the power of the fuel into vehicle motion. A hybrid electrical automobile is powered by two sources, the most popular of which are an internal combustion engine, ICE, and an electric motor. In contrast to IC engine cars, hybrid electric vehicles include batteries that power and operate electric motor as well as gasoline tank that powers the internal combustion engine. Another intriguing characteristic of the hybrid automobile is its ability to maximize efficiency. Slowing down, braking, restoring power, and storing power in a battery are all methods for achieving this aim. A hybrid electric vehicle to engine work in conjunction to turn the wheel. Hybrid automobile provide fewer pollutants and higher fuel economy than traditional vehicle. Then a hybrid electric vehicle battery cannot be charged by plug-in 18. Instead, the internal combustion engine and regenerative braking charge the battery.
My name is Mohammed Zakrafis. I'm about to explain the component of hybrid electric car. So the charge port enable the vehicle to connect to an external power supply to charge the traction battery pack. The fuel tank, the high capacity battery in electric automobile, the auxiliary battery supplies power to the car accessories and used to start the car. The fuel tank hold gasoline in the car until the engine need it. The hybrid transmission power the wheels by transferring mechanical power from an electric motor. Electric motor is powered by the traction battery pack and power the wheels of the automobile. The generator, this mechanism generate electrical power from the rotating wheels during braking and return it to the traction battery. Gasoline is injected into the combustion chamber or intake manifold where it mixes with is ignited by a spark created by the spark plug. Next.
So my name is Zakiuddin bin Muhammad. I'm going to present about advantages of a hybrid car. First of all, it is environmentally friendly. Usually, hybrid car runs clear and get a greater gas mileage, making it more ecological and friendly. Second one is about built from light material. And other than that, it generative braking system. When we brake a hybrid car while driving, it helps to recharge the battery. Then the automatic start and stop function. When vehicle is in idle mode, the engine in a brake car will automatically shut off and restart when the accelerator is pressed. And lastly, advantages of a hybrid car is higher resale value. So next is about disadvantages of a hybrid car. First, the disadvantages of a hybrid car is less power. Usually, a hybrid car suitable for city driving and not for speed and acceleration. Next is about the higher maintenance cost. The third is about the price can be expensive compared to the petrol car. Other than that, is poorer in handling. And lastly, the battery replacement is pricey because the battery needs to be replaced. So the cost for replace is approximately expensive. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Azraiman bin Jalal, and I will cover the ideas of improvements of the system. First of all, a simpler propulsion system is needed to be competitive with conventional cars. One option is to use a series system which the engine is only used to create electricity, then used to charge the battery and power electric motors attached to the wheels. It allows the engine to run at optimal efficiency all of the time. Other suggestion is using a single electric motor linked with a simple transmission that connect both and the car's internal combustion engine straight to the wheels. Alright, I think that's all from our group. Thank you for listening.